God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, sees their heart, that this thing that they did is not for their selfish reason, it is for the collective benefit of the nation. Let's go.
Na san ni da gwamnan Zamfara Bello Matawalle ba dan muna son wani abu muka yi ba.
He said, myself and the governor of Zamfara, wato Bello Matawalle, we did not make this decision based on what we will gain whatsoever.
Sauran suna son wani abu, amma wallahi ni da Bello Matawalle mun ce kawai ai haka don ai.
He said, even though some of us may actually have their ulterior motive, but as for me and Bello Matawalle, we do not have any ulterior motive.
Ai maganin wannan matsalan na addini. Sannan musulmin Southwest su ma mu ba su sense of belonging.
He said the only reason is for the sake of the religion, so that also the Muslims from the Southwest can also have the sense of belonging. Oh God, let's go.
Allah, duk da taron dangin da aka yi, duk da addini da aka yi amfani da shi.
He said, even with all the conspiracy of ethnicity and the religious bigotry that was used during the campaigns by some people,
Allah ya ba Asiwaju nasara.
God now gave Asiwaju the victory.
Abinda muka samu muka yi a Kaduna, yanzu an yi shi a ƙasa gaba daya.
He says that things that we were able to do in Kaduna, we have been able also to do it in the nation as a whole. Now listen, what did he do in Kaduna? In Kaduna as a governor, I will also show you that video at the end of this one. In Kaduna as a governor, he was able to ensure that there is no position of the highest office in the land that a Christian was given. From the governor, a Muslim, deputy governor, a Muslim, chief of staff, a Muslim, secretary to the state government, a Muslim, commissioner for finance, a Muslim. In fact, almost every position in high authority in Kaduna State belongs to Muslim. He says they have now been able to do it and replicate themselves in the national level. Hear him.
Babu wani makaryaci da zai zo ya ce zai fito ya ce shi zai yi siyasa na Kiristanci ya tsaya.
Now he says there is no liar that will come out and say he will do politics like a Christian that will ever win.
An yi maganin wannan dole suka shi.
He said now we have solved that problem and all of them have shut up.
Tun da Asiwaju ya ci zaɓe, kan sit.
He said after Asiwaju won the election, Khan has gone mute. Khan cannot say anything again.
To da haka ne za a samu zaman lafiya a ƙasar nan.
He says that is the only way we can have peace in this nation. He says that is the only way we can have peace in this nation.
To shi ma kaga aka sake aka ƙara sai komai sai ya.
He said after Tinubu now, we now repeat it again and again and again. You know what he's saying? That after Tinubu, a Muslim ticket, we will repeat it again in another 8 years or 4 years, another Muslim, another Muslim. He says that is the way it should be.
Wallahi abinda muka yi kenan. Kuma ni da wasu daga cikin mu a ganin mun gama aiki.
He said, as far as I'm concerned, among us, we know that we have finished the work.
Asiwaju ya ci zaɓe mun gama aiki.
Asiwaju has won, we have finished the work.
Wanda muke muku shine ai masa addu'a.
All we need to do now is to pray for
Ya
him.
samu mutane na kirki.
That he should have good people that will work with him. Now, who are the good people? According to him, the governor of Kaduna State, talking about Nasir El-Rufai, the only good people, according to what he has said in the previous parts of this video, that only Muslim taking position will be the best for the country. Because somebody like you, Governor Nasir El-Rufai, with all of your exposure, education, and the fact that you have traveled virtually everywhere, yeah, if you can be this low to be talking like this about religion, then I can wonder why the people who are not educated in the north, I can now imagine, I cannot understand why they do not like other religion.